Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Arifah Ashraf bin Abdul Kadir. So my supervisor is Puan Kamila. So today I want to present about PSM2, which my title is Development of Automatic Accident Detection System using Arduino controller for motorcycles. So here is my presentation. Nowadays, there are many accidents occur in Malaysia, and most of it are motorcycle. Certain the case, there are accident happen but not discovered on time. So in this project, we're gonna develop a system that can instantly track the motorcycle and identify them in second where it's located. Next, this system had an integrated motion and orientation sensor known as accelerometer, so that all the data regarding the motorcycle motion and orientation can be monitored. Okay, next is problem statement. Nowadays, accidents happen without a warning. Furthermore, accidents are always happen every second and counting. There is a way to prevent it happen and easily alert others, thus the GPRS are made to track it. The device can detect accident and alert that we want to notify either authority or parents. This prototype also can prevent the victim from the missing if the accident happen without a trace. Next, high possibility victim can survive if the authority came right on time. This is the objective. Firstly, to design the automatic motorcycle accident detection system. Next, to develop a prototype that can detect motorcycle accident using Arduino microcontroller. Lastly is to alert the family about accident using WhatsApp application and track it using GPS. So for project scope is, the purpose of the project was designed to achieve the objective of the project. This project focused on automatic accident detection. Whenever the accident happen, the sensor will detect it and send the accurate location to authority or parents. This prototype would be able to detect the accident automatically and instant inform to the authority and parents through WhatsApp application using GPRS module. So in order to achieve the whole objectives, design the automatic accident detection need to be compact and lightweight as possible to install on the motorcycle. Lastly, the project aims to automatically detect accident. Okay, for this one is methodology. So this is the process from the beginning. We had the input, process and output. So we're using the power supply, Arduino Uno, LED, GPS, GPRS module and LCD 6x2. Okay, so then next is result analysis. Okay, the prototype design must be small as possible and compact. Next, the prototype can fit in the compact space, for the example under the seat of motorcycle. So the target for this design is to be performed on convenient space. Thus, the prototype had 4 LED and buzzer connected to the battery that can be used for a long time. It also include with the LCD to display the output from the sensor. We call MPU 6050. It will display the angle of it. Okay, so this is the software development. So this is the flow chart of the prototype. Okay, you can see that when the switch is turned on and we will detect the angle and transfer the data to the Arduino, and lastly is GSM. Okay, this is the result. So the prototype will be connected with the 4 LED and 1 buzzer. In the initial condition, LED 1 will be light up. So when the orientation, so the next, second, third and fourth will be light until the until the final is 2.01, so the buzzer will be sound. And okay, this is the result. So you can see here, so we have LED 1, LED 2, and LED 3, and LED 4, and buzzer. Okay. In conclusion, this project is about design and construct the automatic accident detection for the motorcycles. The prototype has achieved the first and second objective, which is detect the accident happen by the angle of the gyro. However, the third objective were not achieved because of technical issue during the development of the prototype. So nowadays, there are so many people need this product on the market due to safety and precautions when they're riding the motorcycles. Thus, the prototypes had a potential to made by the manufacturer in mass production. Okay, this is the recommendation for the prototype. For the recommendation, in the future, the size can be decreased to a smaller size. Next, the prototype can be equipped with the other sensors such as vibration sensor to detect the vibration when the accident happen. Moreover, the prototype is not a waterproof type. By adding the seal or rubber gasket can make the prototype waterproof. Thus, the prototype can be built with other material to improve the durability of the product. Okay, next is product features. So the power supply produce stable output. Power using the 18650 type, which is the long lasting and rechargeable battery. So it will be cost less. Second is cost effective. Third is small and high mobility, so you can put anywhere you like for the mobile. And you can put under the motorcycle seats. Okay, next is lightweight hardware. Finally, this is the potential of commercialization. So firstly, can be marketed to the bikers and good for traveler also. The prototype is potential to be in mass production and have a large market in our industry. Got high statistic in Malaysia that using motorcycles as a main transportation. Okay, this is the initial condition. So you can see the first LED is light. Okay, this is the final condition. So when the MPU 6050 is upside down, means the motorcycle will be upside down. So the buzzer will ringing. Okay, next I will show you the video of the operation. Ni normal condition. So bila dia di sini 360,